In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Hostinger paid subscription in just a few minutes. Whether you're looking to switch providers or simply need to cut down on your expenses, this guide will make the process smooth and stress-free. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to Hostinger's website. You can do this by typing their URL into the address bar. Once you are on the homepage, look for the login button. This is usually found at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to access the login page. If you haven't done this before, simply enter your credentials and securely log in. Now, once you're logged into your Hostinger account, your next stop will be the Hostinger dashboard, commonly referred to as the H-panel. This will serve as your central hub for managing all of your Hostinger services and settings. On this homepage, find the section labeled Billing. Clicking on this will take you to the area where you can manage your financial transactions and subscriptions. Now that you're in the billing section, you're going to look for a tab titled Subscriptions. Click on this to see a list of your active subscriptions with Hostinger. Here, you'll want to pinpoint the specific subscription you wish to cancel, especially if you have multiple services under your account. Once you have found the right subscription, you should see an arrow icon right next to it. This icon is usually associated with drop-down menus, allowing you to access more options. Click on the arrow icon to reveal these additional controls. Now here comes the crucial part, disabling the auto-renewal feature. This will ensure that you don't get billed automatically in the future for the service you're planning to cancel. Locate the option labeled Disable Auto Renewal. Click on it to initiate the process of turning off auto renew. In most cases, you'll need to confirm this action one more time to make sure there are no accidental cancellations. You might see another prompt or button asking you to disable auto renewal again. Go ahead and click on it. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you have successfully prevented your subscription from being automatically renewed in the future. Remember, cancelling a service doesn't mean immediate termination of benefits. Your current subscription term remains active until its natural expiration date. If you need further clarification, don't hesitate to check Hostinger's support resources or reach out to their customer service for assistance. I hope you found this guide useful. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more helpful tips.